Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get the perfect couple filter on TikTok. So unfortunately you can't do this within the TikTok app. You will need to go to the Instagram app. So do that, then click the magnifying glass at the bottom left hand corner to go to the discover section. Then type in this person's account as RXKYX. Click on their profile there as I do at the top. Then you want to click on the section with the filters. It's going to be that smiley face there. Then you can scroll down until you see the perfect couple filter. Click on that. And then you want to click the bottom left hand corner where it says try it. Now you can go ahead and do your video as you wish to do with the filter effect. Do that, then go to the top of the screen where you see the downwards arrow with the line underneath it at the top of the screen there. Click on that. That will save your video to the camera roll. Then you can go over to the TikTok app. Go ahead and do a video as you would by clicking the plus button at the bottom of the screen there. Then go ahead and click the bottom right hand corner where it says upload. Then you are going to go ahead and click that video that you just made. It should be the most recent one in your camera roll there. You can go ahead and click on that, then click select for it. Then what you'll want to do is go ahead and click next at the bottom right hand corner. You can go ahead and edit your video as you wish. Then you can go ahead and click next and then upload the video to TikTok. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on the TikTok app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.